Here's a linear inequality in standard form. And I'm going to show you how to graph this inequality using intercepts. We want to find the x and the y-intercept, where they touch the axes. So let's start off with the x-axis. So we want to find the x-intercept. So I'm going to just convert this to an equation. So 3x plus 4y equals 12. And if you remember, how we find x-intercepts is we're going to let y equal 0 and then solve for x. So 3x plus 4. Now I replace that y with 0. And now I solve this blue equation for x. So 3x, 4 times 0 is 0. And now divide both sides by 3. So 12 divided by 3 is 4. So where it touches on the x-axis is over 4 units. So the ordered pair then is over 4 up 0. So remember, the x-axis is your horizontal axis. We're going to go 4 units to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's our first ordered pair. Now let's find the y-intercept. How you find the y-intercept is the opposite of the x-intercept. We're going to let x equal 0 and then solve for y. So 3, replace the x with 0 in that red equation. And now solve for y. So 3 times 0 is 0. 4y equals 12. Divide both sides by 4. And we get y equals 3. What y equals 3 represents is where it touches on the y-axis. So we're going to write it as an ordered pair, over 0 up 3. So on the y-axis, we're going to go over 0 up 3. So 1, 2, 3. Here is our point. Now we need to decide, is our line going to be solid or dashed? So we have to look at the inequality. Since it's equal to, it is going to be a solid line through those 2 points. The last thing we have to do is decide where to shade this inequality. So we have to do test points. So let's pick a point above and a point below. So I'm going to choose the point 5, 6, which is above. And then I'm going to choose the point 0, 0, which is below. And I'm going to substitute it in to my inequality. So here's my inequality. My one point was 5, 6, and my other point is 0, 0. We want to find out which one is true. So this is my x, there's my y. So 3, replace the x with 5, replace the y with 6, and now simplify. 3 times 5 is 15, 4 times 6 is 24, then combine terms on the left. 15 plus 24 is 39. Now read the inequality. 39 is less than or equal to 12, or 12 is greater than or equal to 39. That is false. If I come over to the second point in the black, it should be true. So let's substitute it in. And I'm picking nice numbers like zeros in it for x's or y's, because then things cancel out. So replace the x with 0, replace the y with 0. Both of those terms cancel out, and And now read it. Is 0 less than or equal to 12, or is 12 greater than or equal to 0? This is true. So the region that we're going to shade is where the point 0, 0 is. So we're going to shade this region right here.